Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that a man entered the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, during the night in dream I saw a canopy-like patch of cloud from which honey and ghee were trickling down. I then saw that people were taking it in the palms of their hands. Some were gathering more, while some less. I then beheld a rope hanging from the heaven down to the earth, and I saw you, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that you held it and climbed up. After you, another man clasped it and ascended. Then another man clutched it, but it broke and then got joined, and he also ascended. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my father be sacrificed for you. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, let me construe it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, well interpreted. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, as for the canopy-like patch of cloud, it means Islam, and the ghee and the honey dripping from it signifies the Quran and its sweetness and softness. As for the people who are gathering more or less of it, they are those who learn the Quran more or less. As for the rope that was hanging from the heaven down to the earth, it signifies the true religion which you are following. You will keep acting upon it. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will raise you up. You will pass away. Then after you, another man will follow this religion and he will rise up with it. Then another man will follow this religion and he will also rise up with it. Thereafter another man will follow the religion, but there will occur some disturbance in it, and then that disturbance will be rooted out and he will also rise up with it. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my father be sacrificed for you. Tell me whether I have interpreted it right or there is some mistake in it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some of it is right and some of it is wrong. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell me what mistake I have made. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do not adjure under an oath. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5887.